On Friday, December 14th, the 0x Core team, the builders of the 0x protocol, announced a grant program of 150 million 0x tokens, which is around $50 million, to help bolster the expansion of both infrastructure projects and relayers in the 0x network. The grant scheme, called the Ecosystem Acceleration Program, will focus on three main objectives: accelerating early-stage teams in the 0x system, investing in tooling and programs to support all businesses building on 0x, and promoting technical breakthroughs through targeted research grants. On top of the grant, the program also gives promising teams access to a variety of services, including legal resources, marketing strategy, technical support from 0x developers, mentorship, and introductions to leading venture capital firms that could participate in the team's next funding round. For more on this story, make sure to read the full article on ETHNews.com.